Hello guys, I'm Milvad and today I want to show new updates for Laravel 11. I think 1 week later Laravel 11 will be released, and I'm very happy to for this happen, and let's go. In the Laravel 11 we have some new comments, artisan comments, and one of these comments is about the create enum file. In the Laravel 11 you can create enum file with the artisan command. Let's go to show an example. I'm creating a new Laravel project. I try to add some videos for Laravel 11. So here, if I write PHP artisan, so here in make, we have a trait is a new command for Laravel 11, and also we have a class and something else, but now we want working with make enum. So when you are you want to make enum, we have some features. You can add a string or int, or also force is for all comments. So if you are using dash s or dash s string, generate a enum with the string type. So let's test. So I write milvad enum. So you can see in the app folder, create a new enum. I'm using VS Code for this lecture. So you can see create a enum and milvad enum. All things is correctly okay. So, and if I write, let's remove this enum file. So if I pass a string or int argument, you can see Laravel create an enum file with the string type. So now I'm creating a new PR. Let's go here. I'm creating a new PR for make enum command. This PR is about the enums folder. So for example, when I develop a project, I like to make enums in the enums folder, for example, like this, and move all enum into this folder, and probably you like move your enum files in the enums folder. So now I'm add this feature into the Laravel 11. So how can create enum in the enums folder? Maybe you have a question. We don't have any options for enum folder. That's we have a tip here. If you want to move enum file into the enums folder, you just need to create a new folder named or called enums, and create your enum. For example, I want to write create enum with the int type. So maybe you have a question is about why enum files didn't move into the or generate in the enums folder, because my PR merged today, and we don't have I think we didn't update. So You can go to foundation and console, and here we have enum make command. So here you can see the Laravel element didn't update, but I'm show the new updates. Here I create a function called get default namespace. Is about the namespace for enums folder. For for example, enum file or model is not specific for a special file. And if the enums folder is exist here, the enums move it to enums folder, but is not exist generate in app folder. So if I am copy this line and add it into the enums command, don't do this, because when you are install the Laravel 11, probably you have this folder. So let's generate again. So let's generate again. So you can see the enum files generate in the enums folder. And if you don't like, for example, generate enums file into the enums folder, you can remove enums folder and generate again. You have a flexibility here. I have shown another example for models. For example, if you are delete the models folder, sorry, I close this. So if you are remove the models folder, when you are creating a new model, for example user, the model generate into the app folder instead of, for example, models. Is like a enums scenario. Sorry, and you can see the models generated here instead of the models folder. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you like my video, you can subscribe and like my videos. I'm get a lot of energy for recording videos. So if you have any question about the Laravel, PHP, Golang, and a little Python, you can write comments for me or send email. I hope you all enjoy, and until next video, good.